What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today is day 26 of 30 days of RV tours. Today we're checking out this small Class A motorhome that's great for families because it's got bunks. This is the Entegra Vision 29F. Alright, so this is the Entegra Vision 29F. This RV's got bunks as well as many other sleeping spots, but before we check it out, let's take a look at the specs. So, this RV has a gross vehicle weight of 18,000 pounds, a total length of 32 feet 2 inches, a total width of 101 inches, and a total height including the AC and satellite is 12 feet 5 inches. And then check this out, you got a total interior height of 84 inches. Alright, so we're going to start on the outside of this RV, then make our way inside. So up front, you've got the engine access to the Ford 7.3 liter V8, and then you've got a slide out on the whole side of this RV. You've got frameless windows as well as a slide topper. Then along here, you've got some baggage doors. Over here is your water connections. Then towards the back, you've got another large pass-through storage area. Now, it is a partial pass-through storage because this is a gas motorhome, so the chassis runs down the middle. On a diesel motorhome, you'd have full open pass-through space. And then on the very back of this RV, you've got a window for the bedroom, and then you've got a ladder to get up on the roof and do maintenance. On the camp side of this RV, you have an awning that spans from the front to back pretty much, so that's really nice to have. And then down here, you've got a little side cubby space. And then check this out. This right here has got some different latches so that you just push in, they pop out, and you've got a 40-inch TV with outdoor speakers. So that's a really nice thing to have already set up there on the campsite. But let's go ahead and head inside of this RV. So you've got 3 steps to come in. You've got some controls right when you walk in. And the entry door of this RV sits right up front, so it's right next to the cab. And then above the door you have a large cabinet as well as this drop down bunk that sits up above the cab. And then let's go ahead and check out up front here where you've got these really nice leather seats. And then you've got pretty much just some standard cup holders, a pull-out tray, and then you've got the dash of the Ford 7.3 liter chassis, and then you've got your leveling system there. And then you have a false cabinet where there are some electrical components behind there, and then you have a speaker. And then over here you've got the dinette. Now this doesn't have a pull-out drawer like a lot of them have, but it's the same leather as the front seats, and this drops down into a bed, and you do have seat belts in the dinette. And then across from that is a jackknife sofa. This right here also has seat belts, and that right there folds down into a bed. And then you've got some cabinet space up above the dinette with some outlets and plugs. And then you've got a TV on a televator with a sound system beneath it. And then you've got this large window with more cabinet space up above it. And then next to the jackknife sofa, you have this residential size refrigerator. You have your fridge on the one side and your freezer on the other. And then you've got some little shelves on the doors. And then heading over to the kitchen, you've got a flip-up countertop, pull-out drawers, and then beneath the sink you have a spot for a trash can, and then you have a sprayer faucet, and then a huge farmhouse sink. Then you've got this large cabinet that sits directly above the sink, and then next to that you have a residential-sized microwave, and then you have a 3-burner cooktop with an oven. And then you've got this little backsplash, which is a nice little touch. And then next to this kitchen is the bunks, but before we check them out, let's take a look at the bathroom. In this bathroom, you've got a full pass-through to the bedroom, as well as a porcelain toilet. And then you've got a cabinet up above the toilet. And then across from that is your sink with your medicine cabinet up above, and then your small size sink. And then you've got a drop-down cabinet for a bar of soap or a sponge. And then over here you have a large corner shower. It's a decent amount of space. You have a standard shower head. And then check this out. It's kind of like it's a skylight with like a diffuser. So that's kind of neat how it doesn't let in so much light. But let's go ahead and check out the bunks. So these bunks are pretty good size. They each have their own windows, and then check this out. It's kind of like a tablet holder or like an iPad holder, and it's kind of like a TV. Then you've got the large windows, a light. Each bunk is pretty much the exact same thing, and then you've got some pull-out drawers on the very bottom. And you also have curtains that slide across for privacy. Let's go ahead and check out the back bedroom. So you've got this large dresser. So this right here has got a lot of space. It's got a ladder for the bunk, and then you have another ladder for the bunk above the cab. And then next to this really large dresser, you have a TV, and beneath that is a bunch of really large pull-out drawers. Then you have a window in the back, and then up above the bed, you have a lot of cabinet space as well as a window, and then this RV has a queen bed. That right there is going to do it for the tour of this Entegra Vision 29F. If you enjoyed this RV tour, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. You're going to want to follow along because we are just a couple days from the Florida RV Super Show, where we'll be taking a look at all of the newest 2025 models. If you have a certain model or RV that you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. But until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the road.